Anyway, Randy, K7AGE, we got another, Arctic 1 pass. It's just started. I've made some improvements since the last video. I have a camera in front of the radio here so you can see it changing the frequency. I have the audio going into the mixer now. There's a IC 9700 parameter that needed to be set. So, running the CSN Technologies SAT software, and it's a little box. I don't have a picture of it, but and it plugs into the 9700 to control the frequency and the mode. I'm going to go back to filter 3. I think that works better. And the box also controls the rotor. So here's a picture of my antenna, but sorry, it's not live. You can't see it move. And I have the camera here on a little box, so I need to, here we go. That's at 8 degrees. Noisy picture. Maybe we'll get another one here. Let me change this here. See, it's a lot lower in elevation this pass. See the radio move. You can see the spectrum of the audio. And you can hear the telemetry burst once in a while. So we got a good picture in the previous orbit. And see what we get here. We may have time for another one. It's going to be pretty low. While we're waiting here, we can go here, look at the scheduler. 12 degrees. The next time this comes over for me would be 9:03 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 25 degree pass. These UMKA satellites do send SSTV, so it's usually less often than the ArcticSat. You can see it was reported by me. There was a telemetry burst. That and I'll pause the video here, and I'll pick it back up if there's another image. There, this is the picture we just received here a few seconds ago. Load it up here. Pretty noisy. Make out that Saturn with the rings there. Who knows? My antennas, it's hard to see here. This is 6x6 elements for 144 circular polarized, and right over here is 9x9 elements for the 435. Well, I don't think we're going to get anything more here. It's getting pretty low. It's at 6 degrees. This other satellite is above us now, so I'm going to switch to that here for a little bit. Here goes the satellite. So here goes my antennas. It's at 4 degrees. We got 10 minutes to go. We'll go back to filter 3. See if we hear anything from UMKA1 RS74. 10 minutes to go to LOS, loss of signal. There was a telemetry burst. This is going to be a high elevation pass, 83.6 degrees. You can see it's going to go right overhead here. Yeah, look at the graph here. Here's where it is. My antenna's pointing off a little bit, but that's not a problem. Well, the satellite is now below 10 degrees, so I don't think we're going to get anything. So thanks for watching. This is Randy, K7AGE. Nothing heard except for telemetry packets from the UMKA1 RS40 satellite. See you again. 73.